I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is an unboxing of the Echo Dot, the newest generation from Amazon. So you can see this is their newest smart speaker. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's showing us we set it up in the Alexa app. We just need to plug it in, so very easy instructions literally printed on the inside of the box. And here's the device itself. You can see it's got this sort of fabric coating on the outside, so it fits into your decor really nicely, I think. It doesn't have a very electronic look. And then you've got volume. This looks like a microphone, silence, and a power button. And it also, as you can see on here, I got the one that has a clock on it there, which is kind of nice, so it can display a few digits even though it doesn't have a screen. Let's go ahead and pop it out. Okay, so we've got a power cord in there. It looks like it's probably a 5-volt output. It's nice to have that come with the device. 15 watts, pretty solid power there. That means it's probably gonna have a pretty good speaker if it's got that much power coming in. Some places don't include a power cord with devices anymore. Not gonna name names, but that's a nice thing to have Amazon do. And then here's the device itself. Nice kind of gray color. It's got this rubberized kind of plastic base, and then this nice fabric cover over the speaker element there. Kind of beefy buttons on here. It's obvious what you're clicking. And I like that it's just this kind of sphere. It's very, I think, blends into decor. Overall, has a really nice look. We'll go ahead and set it up and test it out and see how it works.